Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the element spring in your stove. The reason why you'd have to do this is because the spring is broken or missing, causing the element not to sit properly on the stovetop. For this repair, all we'll need is a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So what we've got to do here is we're going to open up our oven door, and we've got these two screws right here that we have to remove. So we're going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver. So now we'll take our stove top off by lifting up and tilting back, and then picking it up, and we'll set it off just slightly on one side. And the first thing I want to do is remove this grounding wire here, and I'm just using my 1/4-inch nut driver. And now I want to remove these two wire sets right here. Just going to unplug those. And now the whole assembly is free from the stove, so we can take that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it down on our work surface and on a towel so it doesn't get scratched up. So now on the other side of our cooktop, you can see these are our elements here, and we've got a bunch of springs that help hold them down and hold them into place. So we're going to take this one off, and in order to do that, you'll notice it's got kind of like a little tooth there that digs in. So you're going to have to push it forward, and then once you push it forward, you're going to lift up and push it off to the side so you can get it out. So we got that off. Then we'll pull it back, and there's a little tab right there that'll come right out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement element spring. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now with our spring, it's got this J hook on this side, and that's going to go into the cooktop right there. There's a special little slot for it. And then we're going to lift up and push it through. And again, if you don't have the strength in your hand to do that, you can also use a screwdriver when you're taking it out. You can just push it forward and then use a screwdriver to pry it up and get it off of there. But this spring is in place now, and now we'll put our cooktop on our stove. Now we'll reattach our grounding wire here. And now we'll reattach the rest of our wires, and all you have to do is push them straight in. Now I want to lift up the cooktop and angle it back, and then I want to line it up with the two plastic rests back in the back there. And once I've got that lined up, set the cooktop back down, and then I'll line up the screw holes on the bottom and screw it back in. And now you can close up your oven door, and your repair is complete. I used to be addicted to the hokey pokey, but then I turned myself around. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.